Altoona Area Public Library is closed after several feet of water was found inside the building this morning. Our Tiffany RIZZO was on site and spoke with officials and the library director on what happened. Tiffany.
Amanda, a construction accident is to blame for the devastating amount of damage the library is now facing.
There's a lot of books that appear to be damaged, and a lot of muck, which is from like a flood, a lot of dirt and mess. So it is a mess inside.
A subcontractor for Fairfield Mechanical broke the water line while digging a trench when working on the Altoona Area High School's building and renovation project. This caused water to travel through tunnels where the current heating and cooling lines run, eventually entering the lower level of the library. Water also entered the utility room, causing a power outage. The Altoona Fire Department and Water Authority were on site shortly after to pump water out of the building. ServPro of Altoona and Evansburg are already working to clean up and restore the library.
We're going to extract all the water that's remaining in the library. We're going to dry the structure, and then we're going to see what damage has come from the water damage itself, and we'll take it from there as far as what work needs to be done.
McCullough says the dry down process itself will take about 3 to 5 days.
It's a completely unexpected event. It's being handled very professionally by the folks that need to be in there, getting things cleaned up and safe again for the staff to go back in.
And if you're worried about the famous Altoona Area Library mascot,
Ferrets were inside when it happened. However, they were completely safe. They are at their vacation home. They're just going to have a little extended Christmas vacation.
The library will remain closed until further notice, but their online resources are still up and running. In Altoona, Tiffany RIZZO, WTAJ News.